Autumn 2025 is not the season of gimmicks, it's the season of correction. Fashion has finally reached the point where people are exhausted by the constant flood of micro-trends that feel dated within weeks. The truth is simple, no one wants to look like a victim of the algorithm anymore. What people actually want this fall is wearability with impact, style that elevates instead of cheapens, and elegance that feels lived in, not staged. The top trends this autumn are about power through restraint. It's the death of chaos dressing and the rise of control. The woman who commands attention now isn't the one who exposes the most or screams for validation. It's the one who steps into a room covered, refined, and untouchable. That's the psychology of autumn 2025. People don't admire desperation, they admire discipline. Another reality shaping this season is individuality. For too long, fashion has churned out Pinterest board sameness. Everyone wearing the same things, styled in the exact same way. This fall, sameness is the fastest way to look outdated. What's in now is editing your look so it reflects your own authority while still keeping elegance at the core. Not costumes, not shock value, not vulgarity, just refinement sharpened by identity. And here's the harsh truth. If your style screams effort, you've already lost. Autumn 2025 is not about trying to be fashionable, it's about being remembered. Trends that dominate now are subtle, timeless, and intentional. They don't just decorate you, they define you. Fashion this season is returning to its purpose, to make you look powerful, admired, and respected, not like you're auditioning for attention. Wearable trends in 2025 are not the watered-down basics sold as quiet luxury for the masses. They're the codes that mark you as someone untouchable. Rich fabrics, clean lines, timeless structures, pieces that hold presence without begging for it. That's what makes autumn 2025 different. It's not about what's flashy, it's about what lasts. And those who understand that aren't just well-dressed, they're shaping the culture of elegance itself. Follow GTWJ Mag for more, because this fall isn't just about clothing, it's about the psychology of respect, rewritten in real time. Autumn-winter 2025 continues to peel back the layers of fashion's illusions and forces us to confront what actually works in the real world. The top trends are not about reinventing the wheel. They are about stripping away the fake glamour and forcing people to ask, does this actually make me look powerful, or does it just make me look like I'm trying too hard? This is the season where fashion is cutting through the noise. For too long, runways and social media have pushed people into believing that being fashionable means being outrageous. But in reality, outrageous doesn't age well. What ages well is composure. What stays relevant is elegance. And that's why the most wearable trends for this fall aren't loud. They're quiet, sharp, and unforgettable. Autumn 2025 is about fashion as identity armor. Every piece you wear needs to work with you, not against you. It should strengthen how people see you, not weaken it. And this is the difference between style that lasts and style that dies on a feed. A polyester logo-covered piece screaming for attention is dead the moment you buy it. A refined, structured look, one built with discipline, will still command admiration 10 years from now. What's wearable this season is what allows you to move through the world with respect. You don't need to broadcast with logos or reveal everything with vulgar cuts. That no longer reads as aspirational, it reads as desperate. The people who will dominate this autumn are those who master control, people who understand that mystery is more magnetic than exposure, and restraint speaks louder than chaos. And this is the brutal honesty of fall-winter 2025. If your style doesn't make people respect you, it doesn't matter how trendy it is. Wearability is now the ultimate status symbol, because in a world drowning in noise, the ability to look composed, timeless, and untouchable is the rarest flex of all. That is the story of this autumn. Not just what's in, not just what's out, but why it matters, and how style, when done right, is no longer about chasing relevance. It's about creating presence. And the ones who understand this shift, they're the ones who are going to own fall 2025. Fall-winter 2025 is exposing the truth about how style works when the noise clears. What we're seeing now isn't just a new season, it's a cultural reset. The top trends of autumn are no longer about chasing what looks good in a 30-second clip. They're about cultivating a presence that endures when the cameras are off. Fashion has finally grown tired of the extremes. The hypersexual outfits? They already look tired. The ironic, overdone, attention-grabbing chaos. Forgettable the second you leave the room. What matters now, and what makes something truly wearable, is whether it can carry you with elegance, composure, and timelessness. That's what people admire now. Not exposure, not gimmicks, but discipline. And discipline is the key word this fall. Wearable fashion in 2025 isn't about throwing on whatever a trend list tells you. It's about editing. Choosing pieces that communicate control, outfits that whisper power instead of screaming for it, looks that make people respect you, not pity you. Because here's the harsh reality: desperation shows, and this autumn, nothing is more unfashionable than looking desperate. The most wearable trends right now are built on authority and longevity. They don't ask you to become someone else, they sharpen who you already are. They protect your aura instead of diluting it. And that's the deeper meaning of Fall 2025. The wearable trends aren't even trends at all. They're codes of respect, standards of elegance, rules of power dressing that will outlive every fad. And if you want to understand these shifts beyond the surface, this is where GTWJ steps in, because here fashion isn't reduced to lists or empty commentary. It's broken down as psychology, culture, and the story of who we are becoming. Autumn-winter 2025 isn't about chasing relevance. It's about redefining what it means to be untouchable. Fall-winter 2025 is cutting away the excess and leaving us face to face with a truth most people don't want to hear. Not everything you see on a runway or trending online is worth wearing. What's dominating this season are not the extremes, but the essentials. The elements of style that actually hold up when the lights dim and the scroll ends. This is the season where the gap between fashion victims and style leaders becomes impossible to ignore. Those chasing viral looks, covered in logos or drenched in gimmicks, are already fading into irrelevance. The people who stand out now are the ones who understand refinement. Women and men who look composed, controlled, and impossible to mistake for the masses. That's what makes a trend wearable in 2025. It's not whether it's new, it's whether it elevates you beyond the crowd. The psychology behind this shift is obvious. In unstable times, people crave stability, and it shows in what they wear. Fall fashion is no longer about proving you're daring, it's about proving you're untouchable. Mystery is more magnetic than exposure. Authority is more impressive than spectacle. Subtlety, restraint, and timelessness are more enviable than chaos and overexposure. This is why so many seasonal fads already feel dated before they've even peaked. They don't communicate presence, they communicate desperation. And in 2025, desperation is the quickest way to look cheap. The wearable codes dominating now are the ones that will last far beyond this season. Elegance, refinement, intelligence, and clarity. And here's the harsh truth. Most people are still dressing to be liked. The ones who are actually admired are dressing to be respected. Autumn-winter 2025 isn't about blending in with Pinterest boards or TikTok aesthetics. It's about writing your own identity with intention. That's why the real trends this fall aren't trends at all. They're standards. GTWJ will always tell you this with no filter, because the future of fashion isn't about decoration, it's about definition. Fall 2025 is the reminder that what you wear is not just clothing, it's power, psychology, and the difference between being forgotten or unforgettable.